Malaysia. No matter what race I am always a Malaysian. Although we are different, we are still best friends. We respect each other, tolerate and accept each other's difference. That's why we can be this close. When I'm sad, they are always here for me. Nobody can mess with my friend. Nobody can make us fight. We will stand by each other's side. No matter how far we are apart, as long as our hearts are united, our friendship remains. I'm proud to be a Malaysian. I'm proud to have a great friends like them. How about you?